Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss concatenating strings in Python. So what is concatenating strings? This means to add or combine strings together. Here's a diagram. This is not really like addition in math. We are just simply joining strings together. So for example, hello plus world equals hello world. And as you can see here, there's no space in between. Here's an example in code. We are combining the string hello and world together to get hello world. Here we are just saving the strings as variables. And in this example, I added a space in between string 1 and string 2. I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to watch the next one. Bye!